Hi everyone, and welcome to Tuesday's Tips with Laurie. I'm so excited to show you some fun things today. First of all, I just wanted to show you our cinch bags, these little woodland animals. I know we've shown some sneak peeks before. This is kind of the set in its entirety. Look how many come on one disc. Look how much fun this is. So there's all these fun sizes. Isn't that so cute and itty bitty? What a fun little thing to put a little trinket in. Or some bunny loves you. Something really special could go in there. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and this great big chocolate bunny. How fun is that? So it comes in 5 sizes with each animal. And as you can see, there's these 4 cute animals. We've got our little itty bitty foxes. Look how cute these are. And I wanted to show you this large size. You can put like a DVD, give a gift with a DVD, popcorn, something fun. Think of Father's Day. It's coming right up around the bend, right? So Father's Day, this would be really fun. Your wise owl, right? Thank you, Dad, for being so wise. And do something fun, a special note or something in the owls. I want to show you this really fun owl. 1, 2, 3. Check it out. Do you love this? Look how shiny that is. That is so fun. This is a new product that we have here at Kimberbell. Super fun. So what I wanted to show you is this really cool tool, because every one of these cinch bags, you've got a little string, right? A little ribbon that you put. And I know that in the past we have shown one time before how when you're making the cinch bags, how we've done it with a little safety pin, right? And you take the safety pin and you slide it in through the hole. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this cool tool. It's called a bodkin. And it's pinches, and then you slide this up, and man, it grips well. You don't have any issues of, I don't know if you've ever had your safety pin come open while you're in the middle of your bag and you're like, no, because then you have to pull it right back out. So what I do is I take the 2 long strips of ribbon and I take this tool called the bodkin. And the bodkin, you pinch the end of your ribbon and you slide this up and it just locks it. Can you see how strong that is? I mean, that's really nice, grips it really, really well. So it's not gonna come undone halfway through your project. And it's really thin and small, so it fits right in these holes. So look how quick that is. And I am just you thread both of these ribbons across the top and out the other end. And once you get once you get it past that little, there we go, you just pull it right through. I'm getting so excited here. I didn't cut that hole big enough. There we go. And then, whoa. Boy, that grips good, doesn't it? I'm going the other way. This hole is not big enough on that side. All right. Phase 2. So on the bodkin, you just want to make sure that you've cut the holes on your ribbons to the correct size. And then you put that right there. We go. All right. There we go. And you pull that all the way through. And it comes out this side. I should have cut that hole bigger. There we go. And you pull that out, slide that off, and then you take your ribbons and you're gonna make one, just pull from one side and you're gonna lengthen it. So you've got a short side and a long side, and then you're gonna take the other ribbon that you haven't pulled yet and you're gonna pull it the opposite direction. So you have 2 long ones and 2 short ones. And then what you want to do is you want to pull the long one. You're going to go through now the back. You're going to turn it over and you're going to take this long one and you're going to go through the back and pull it out the other side. So we're going to do that one more time. I'm going to grab my bodkin and loop that through. And then you're going to find the hole on the other side. Now you can use, that found the hole really easily. If you can't find that hole on the back side, sometimes you can use a turning tool. We have used a chopstick in the past to go in, and you can feel when you're touching each other that you've found the hole coming out, because there are 2 pieces of fabric that are folded against each other. So finding that hole coming out can be a little bit tricky. Anyway, and then you just pull that all the way through like that. And now I'm going to grab the 2 short one, or the one I pulled through and the short one, and that makes 1 continuous loop. So there's the first one right there. And now I'm going to take the long one on the second side, flip it down again so I'm looking at the back. And you'll take this bodkin again and slide it down. What I love is how well it grips. It just grips really well. And it's long enough that it's easy for me to find and get right across the back of this. And I found the hole again. This one finds the hole really easily. I love that. Okay, and then you just pull that through and you slide this clip off. And look how fun that was with that bodkin. That was easy, except for the very beginning when I even cut my hole big enough. So, all right. Now to test this, take the 2 ribbons and pinch them together and pull. If your cinch sack closes like that, then you know that you've threaded it correctly. If it doesn't, then you know that one of these ribbons maybe got twisted or you grabbed the wrong ribbon. So if you give it a couple times, it works great. Then you can just tie a knot on the end of your ribbon on both sides and trim that ribbon just like that, and you can just trim that ribbon off. And there's your cinch bag using a bodkin. So look how cute these little ones are, and look how fun the face all scrunches up when you pull it tight. So cute. So cute. I just love these. So think of all the fun things you could do. I mean, it's summertime, scavenger hunts. What if you had a fun little scavenger hunt for your kids? And they have to either go around and find their items and collect them and put them in here. A treasure hunt, graduation gifts, birthdays. My birthday's right around the corner there. Wink, wink, Brittany. Just some fun things. Lots of things that you could do. I'd love to know what ideas that you have out there that you could use your cinch bags for, and enjoy your fun new bodkin tool. I remember when we first got these, I was like, this is awesome, because I was able to thread these so much faster just because of the length of it, and it was easy to thread it through so quickly. So let me know if you have any other cool tools that you like to use when you are threading ribbon as well. Thank you so much, and join us next Tuesday with Tuesday's Tips. Bye-bye.